Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Unilever USA step by step clearly. Begin with a market analysis to understand consumer trends in the USA. Identify key demographics that are driving growth in the market. Research competitors to understand their strategies and market positioning. Evaluate Unilever's current product portfolio for gaps and opportunities. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy tailored to target demographics. Leverage digital marketing channels to reach consumers where they are most active. Utilize social media platforms to increase brand awareness and engagement. Invest in influencer partnerships to tap into niche markets and build credibility. Enhance distribution channels to ensure products are readily available to consumers. Strengthen relationships with retailers to secure prime shelf space. Create personalized consumer experiences to foster brand loyalty. Implement sustainability practices to align with consumer values. Monitor consumer feedback and market changes to adapt strategies dynamically. Utilize data analytics to drive decision-making and optimize marketing efforts. Expand product lines based on consumer demands and global trends. Consider strategic partnerships or acquisitions to increase market share. Regularly review financial performance to ensure profitability and efficiency. Establish key performance indicators to measure success and scale progress. Engage in community outreach initiatives to build a positive brand image. Continue to innovate by investing in research and development for new products. Adapt to regulatory changes and ensure compliance across all operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.